Hello and welcome to new lecture of theme customization. In this lecture we'll see how we can customize our theme for Shopify store, dropshipping development, beginners to expert. So you have to click on online store and you will be by default on this themes section here. Okay, you'll have to see that which theme you want to customize. If you want to customize your live published theme, then you can click on here. Otherwise, you can also customize your drop theme. After customization, you can save the settings, and when you are satisfied with the design customization, then you can just preview and you can publish it from here. So we will now see that how we can customize theme. So to your published theme, you will see this button, customize. Just click on it and you will be on this window, on this browser tab after clicking on customization. So here you will see that here you can customize your theme, like you can add announcement bars, you can here you can customize it, the front page, home page. Here you can add different sections here, and then you have different pages, templates here available. So you can customize these templates from here. So this was the video on how to customize theme from Shopify admin. Thank you.